Hello students, how are you? This is Piyali Mukherjee from TGIS Raipur. Can you tell me what are the three basic needs of our daily life? Yes, these are food, shelter and cloth. Here is a story about our ancient people. Approx 10,000 BCE ago, peoples were nomadic. Means what? They are wandering for food and shelter place to place in a small group. Once one group discovered fire and then they used it for roasting food, animals' meat and protecting himself from the other animals. Then anyway they also found that wheat are roasted and easy to eat and tasty also. They liked it. In this way they discovered agriculture, field and cropping. This is the story of starting agriculture. Now students, you can understand what I am going to explain. Yes, class 8, first chapter, cropping and agriculture. Students, when same type of plants in large quantity agriculture in one place, that is called crop. You know that India is a vast country. There are different climatic conditions in place to place or region to region changes. So, every places or every region not possible to same type of crop agriculture or yield. We get yields of the same type of crop. So, on the basis of this, there are two types of varieties of crops divided. One is Kharif crop, other is Rabi crop. Kharif crop like maize, paddy, some pulses which are sown in rainy season and harvesting before winter. And Rabi crops, pulses, groundnuts and some mustard etc. which are sown in winter season and harvesting before summer. So the question is here, why paddy sown in rainy season, not in winter? Because paddy requires more water for cultivate. Now students, you know that when your mama or any gardener sown seeds in a pot or in ground, needs some caring. Not only by sowing the seeds we get the yield. So the different steps which used to cultivate the crop is called agriculture process. In this, first step is formation of soil, preparation of soil. You know that soil contains different type of manures or important nutrients like nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, etc. So, loosening of soil by plowing method or trolling, farmers, the group of peoples which do agriculture called farmers, loosening the soil, this is called preparation of soil. Then after, second step is very important, to select the good seed and sow the seed. People or farmer first selected good seeds, not. So, good seeds are required, very much important for this purpose. Then after it, these seeds are sown in the place that is called nursery. After grown in small, or when radicle and plumule is grown, then it is sown in a proper lane in proper way, that is the sowing of seeds. Then third step is using manure and fertilizer in the field. Students, already in the soil some good nutritions are there, but by repeating agriculture or farming, it decreases. So farmer used some decomposed material like domestic peels or cow dung, dry cow dung, etc. as a compost or manure, or some chemicals like NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium fertilizer or sulfur fertilizer, urea, etc. mix in the soil for proper growing of the crops. Then next step is watering. Sometimes your mama also use this type of things or container to watering the plants in your garden, but this is small way. But farmer use in a large quantity water for watering the plants for proper growth, and this is called irrigation. Two types of irrigations are there: modern irrigation system and classical or old irrigation system. In old irrigation system, well and river water and rainwater storage is used for the irrigation. Modern irrigation system, canal formation or sprinklers or rainwater harvesting or motor, etc. used in a irrigation formation. Now after irrigation, the next step is harvesting. Your plants is totally grown up, ripening the fruits or the paddies. Then farmer harvest it. Harvesting means cutting the yield and storage in a granaries. These are the steps for harvesting. So I hope students you understand what are the processes